Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, a Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance, J&J Matrimony. It is a two-wall dance. There's 3 parts. At the 8th wall, there's an easy peasy bridge that you do 3 times. Real simple. Then you start the dance over doing part 1 and part 2. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Want to give a shout out to everyone that registered for the NOLA Southern Experience. I can't believe it. Like, I am shocked. We sold out in record time, like in 12 hours or so. Y'all are so wonderful. Thank you guys for your support. Our wait list is at capacity and it's closed. So we got so much in store for you. Thank you for your support. So if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, did I say that in the New Orleans area? Please call 504-251-0674. This is the step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in dancing along with the music, make sure you got the steps right and the rotation. Watch till the end and let's dance together. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share this video. Are you ready? Let's go. We're going to start at this wall right here, okay? So part 1, so check this out, instructors. I would teach this dance to my beginners, the ones that have been coming a while. Yeah, because in this dance, it's not a step that they don't know. Now, it's pretty much 3 parts, right? But for the ones that have been coming a while, there's not a step in this dance that they don't know. So why not teach it to them? And definitely would teach it to my intermediate. Let me show you why. Okay, we're going to start up with a shuffle up. 1 and 2 up, 3 rock, 4 lock, 5 and 6 back, 7, 8. That's it. When you lock back, all you're doing is step and cross into the front. You can shuffle back if you want. It's a fancy step. It's the same thing as a shuffle back. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle up. 1 and 2 rock, 3, 4, 5 and 6 back, 7, 8. From here, you're going to do a cross mambo. 1, 2 with a triple, 3 and 4. Then on the left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do that again with the shuffle up. 5, 6, 7. Shuffle up. 1 and 2 rock. 3, recover 4, 5 and 6 back. 7, recover 8. Cross 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then I'm going to do a step sailor. Kick and tap. Step sailor. Kick and tap. Tap on that right rope, back for 4. Right, left, right, left. 1, 2, kick, 3, tap, 4. Back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's add that with the shuffle up. 5, 6, 7, shuffle up. 1 and 2, rock, 3, recover, 4, lock, 5 and 6, back, 7, recover, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3 and 4, cross 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, kick, 3, tap, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, I would out, drag in with the knee, out, drag in with the knee, and get to my next wall by doing 4 taps. Right, left, and that's all part 1. We're starting with part 2, which is really easy. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, shuffle up. 1 and 2, rock, 3, recover, 4, 5 and 6, back, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3 and 4, cross 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step sailor. 1, 2, kick, 3, tap, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Part 2. I would rock out, recover. It's a rock out, recover, rock out, recover again. 1, 2, 3, kick, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back 1, tap 2, back 3, tap 4, 5, 6, turn 7, and 8. So that cross and kick on the right and the left. Rock out, side rock, recover, cross and kick on the right and then on the left. Walk me up with a toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then I did that rock out, recover, side rock, recover, cross and kick on the right, and rock out, recover, cross and kick on the left. Then I roll back, moving back. My toe strut brought me up. Roll back on the right, 1, tap 2. Left 3, tap 4. Right 5, tap 6. And that last one on the 4, 7, and 8. I'm at my second wall. The dance starts over, doing part 1 and 2. I'm going to go over 1 and 2 again. All right? So, let's put 1 and 2 together. Shuffling up with the rock recover, the lock step back. If you don't lock step, just shuffle back. Okay? 5, 6, 7. Shuffle up. 1 and 2, rock. 3, recover. 4, lock. 5 and 6, back. 7, 8. Cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cross. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, kick 3, tap 4, back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Quarter. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side. 1, 2, 3. Kick 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3. Kick 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I just taught you 1 and 2. So at this wall, this is your second wall. What you gonna do? Shuffle up, do part 1, do part 2. Then you're gonna come here. When you get here, start over again. Part 1 and 2. Then you come back here. You're gonna do part 1. And then you're gonna get here. Don't do part 2. This is your 8th wall. So watch this. This is the bridge. So the 8th wall. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is wall 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let me show you when you get to the 8th wall. So you did this wall here. You did your shuffle up. Okay? You did your out and up, and then you tapped around. 2, 3, 4. And you here. You get ready. You're not going to do your part 2. You're going to do the bridge. Okay? At your 8th wall. Okay? So, what you going to do for the bridge? You're just going to be at this wall. But let me show you at this wall so you see my footwork. I roll to the right for 2. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, then the left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then I do a cross tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then do a booty roll, quarter turn. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross tap is 1, 2, 3, 4. Booty roll. 5, 6, 7, and 8. That was my second time. Now I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Cross tap, right over left, left over right. Cross tap, booty roll, booty roll. Now, I did it 3 times. So, where that's going to put me? This is my 8th wall. I do it here 1 time. Then I do it here 2 times. Then I do it here 3 times. Then I wind up at this wall. The dance starts over. Part 1. Okay? Part 2 throughout the whole song. All right? That's it. So, the dance starts two-wall dance. And the bridge come at the 8th wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just what I just showed you, which was you roll to the bridge, that's when you're going to do the bridge. But other than that, all you're doing is part 1 and 2. Part 1 and 2. Part 1 and 2. And when you get to this 8th wall, break into your bridge. So we here, and we just did part 1. We turn here, it's the 8th wall. You're not going to do part 2. Go into the bridge. I just showed you that. And do it 3 times. Do it at this wall, and this wall. And when you do your booty roll, dance starts over. Part 1. Okay? So I taught you everything you need to know to do this dance. I taught you part 1, I taught you part 2, and I taught you the bridge. You're going to do the bridge at the 8th wall 3 times. And when you finish with that booty roll, it brings you here. Then you start the dance over. Part 1. Part 2. Watch Jackie and James Rice. And at the end of this video is the demo. Sit down and look at the video. You can do this dance. If you're a so-called beginner and you've been coming to class for a minute, you can do this dance. There's nothing in this dance that you haven't done. Instructor, I always challenge my beginners. I'm not talking about the ones that just walked in the door, okay? They're not going to get every part of this dance, but they're going to pick up a skill. But the ones that's the majority of my class that's been coming for a minute, they can get this dance. Why? Because when I look at a dance and see number 1, the tempo, number 2, the steps that they're doing, they can get it. So it's just 3 parts. Although it's 3 parts, they can get it because they're really doing 2 parts back to back. It's a 2-wall dance, and it's the bridge, and the bridge is real simple. So that's why I would teach my beginners this dance and also my intermediate. Okay, leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all guys think. Watch the demo. Go over to J&J, Jackie and James Rice, and check out their demo. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.